When you swallow?
Yes, sometimes, not always. I get a pain on the side of my neck, which goes down to my stomach. I went to a gastroenterologist because I thought it was the stomach, because sometimes it starts from the stomach, but at the same time it comes here. For this pain, they made me do 3 gastroscopic exams at various intervals. In the first diagnosis, they said it was functional pains. In the second and third, nothing, not even gastritis, which I thought I had, at least to justify the pain.
Thank God.
However,
Any other problems?
other problems are dizziness, cervical pain, and often headache, starting from the nape and coming up here. I had an X-ray to my cervical spine, and they told me it's in bad shape. I also did physiotherapy, but I didn't get much of a result. In fact, none.
With this treatment, I want to invert the inclination of the occlusal plane, reducing the upper posterior teeth and increasing the lower ones. This latter phase was carried out in the Girbach articulator. At this moment, I mobilize the joints. What's happened since the last time?
Well, actually, the pain I had here, near my ear, has gone. I've noticed that if I open my mouth as wide as possible, it's slightly uncomfortable in the angle between the upper and lower dental arch, right here. And then it's also a bit tender under here when I chew, but it's not at all as painful as before.
You also complain of pain when swallowing.
That I don't have any more. That is, the pain on the side of my neck, for which I went to the gastroenterologist and had 3 gastroscopic exams. I've noticed that I've had no pain since we last met. That is, a couple of months ago. I've no more pain on the side of my neck.
Here we are checking the improvement of mouth mobility. How are you?
Fine. I'd say I have no more problems.
When you swallow?
Well, above all, I no longer have that famous pain. Do you remember from the opening of the stomach, for which I had to have the 3 endoscopic exams? I feel completely freed from a nightmare, because even when I simply swallowed, it triggered this pain from my throat and neck to my stomach.
What's left of your complaint?
Nothing much. I have no more pain or discomfort, only a little noise in my joint when I open and close my mouth.